Hi, this is Patrick from JDM Jones. Today we're going to be replacing the fuel filter on this 1996 Pajero Junior. The process is the same for a Pajero Junior and a Pajero Mini. The part number is FS7009. The tools required is going to be a drain pan, a 10mm on a 1/4 inch ratchet, a 19mm combination wrench, a 14mm combination wrench, and a set of needle nose pliers. The fuel filter is located right behind the driver's side wheel in the back. It's located right here behind the frame. What we're going to be doing first is getting our 14 and 19. Our 19 is going to hold this fuel filter in place right here. And then we'll come with our 14 and loosen the fuel line. Just like that. You'll see the fuel line start to drip. Just get your pan ready. Next, we're going to be squeezing the ends of this yellow piece right here that the fuel line goes into. We're just going to be using our needle nose pliers and pressing down the two ends. And then we'll just slide it out with your hand. Like that. So next we're going to be removing the two bolts holding these fuel filter on. Next we're going to be removing this bolt that holds the little clamps in place. So when you put this fuel filter back together, remember the orientation that you took it out. And a good way to tell is just seeing this dirty spot and matched up with this hole right here. You can see that was the orientation of which it came out. When tightening this bolt, make sure to hold the fuel filter with the 19 so you can tighten it as much as you possibly can. Just like that. The last part, you're just going to take this hose, you're going to line the tabs right here with the opening. You're going to line these tabs with this opening and just click it in place. And that's it. We'll put a link to the part in the description below. And if this video helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next repair. The part we are replacing is a fuel filter. So next we're going to be squeezing the ends of this yellow clamp. That's not the right word. The brand is ASAKASHI. Wait, no, that's not right. ASAKASHI. And if this video helped, we'll see you on the description. God damn it. And if this video helped, god damn it, dude, this is like a tongue twister.